This is my 2002 GMC Sierra Z71 with the venerable 5.3 liter LM7 V8. And these are the headers I'm installing on said GMC Sierra. This is me removing the stock manifolds, and this is my life right now. This truck is just doing what LM7 motors do, break manifold bolts. You've got a unicorn if yours aren't busted. I was able to get the front bolt out with a set of Dynamic Tools grip-on pliers, available at shopdynamictools.com. Use code DANANATOR15 and save 15% every time you order. I just wiggled it back and forth and it finally spun out of the head. The rear bolt was a different story. It was locked up tighter than a Hall of Fame defensive back's pass coverage, and I used my Hobo Fright metal melter to weld a nut onto the end of the bolt. I don't know. Hopefully it'll come off. It'll probably just break the weld and, well, I'm back to square one. It sort of worked up until I broke the bolt off flush with the head. My nightmare had just begun, and 7 attempts later, I threw in the towel. I suppose I could have tried to drill out the bolt, but I don't trust myself with that level of skill set. So I took the advice of a subscriber and dialed up the old internets and ordered a genius bracket that solves this issue quite easily and affordably. Okay, so I've got everything buttoned up down underneath, and I'm on the driver's side, and we definitely have an exhaust leak where that bolt didn't come out and it's not secured to the head. So that's definitely not good. I have a remedy for that. Let me show you. Okay, my remedy is this. An exhaust header bracket clamp thingy. Recommended to me by a subscriber who saw my plight with the broken bolt. Thank you, James. And he suggested I look at a bracket like this. So I went on to Amazon. This was like maybe 15 bucks maybe. So these two holes line up with the bolt holes on the side of the head. I'm sure I'll have to put a little thread locker on this possibly so it doesn't vibrate out. Okay, I'm back at this morning trying to get this bracket on. And I'm going to tell you, it has not been easy. It's easy in concept. You just put the two bolts in. The problem is it's right up against the firewall, so you have less than an inch of space to get your fat hand in there to start the bolts on the back side. You see that bolt right there? It took forever to find the hole and start the bolt, and for me, most of the time, one-handed. So once I got that one started, I went underneath the truck here. See the bracket right here? There's the two bolts. Not a whole lot of room to get your arm up in here. Everything's one-handed. So this is a exercise in patience and keeping a cool head, because it is a chore getting that one in there. If it was the other one on the front side of the engine, well then that's quite okay. There's plenty of room. So given the nature of the space I'm working with back there, I'm going to be using my flex head ratcheting stubby wrench from Dynamic Tools. If you're interested in getting yourself a tool like this, you can get a set of them on shopdynamictools.com. Use code DANANATOR15 and save 15% off your order. This flex head is an absolute necessity for this bolt. Nice. Stubby flex head ratcheting wrench for the win. And we'll just get our wrench on this press bolt right here. Tighten this down, and that'll tighten that header to the head, and therefore getting rid of our exhaust leak. All right, that should do it. Let's fire this puppy up and see if it took care of the leak. Put my plug wire back on. Don't want to forget that. All right, no more leak. I don't feel it. And it's awfully quiet. Don't feel any air, and I certainly don't hear anything. That little bracket, that thing works. Let me know in the comment section below, what experiences have you had with exhaust manifold removal? Smooth sailing or rough seas? Be sure to check out the full adventure of installing these long tube headers on my 02 Sierra by clicking the video link in the description below. You can support the Detonator channel by liking and sharing the video, using code Detonator15 at shopdynamictools.com, or purchasing Detonator merch from my merch links below. As always, thanks for watching. God bless. Be sure and hit that like switch on your way out. We'll see you next time.